Hello and welcome to PyScrap TV, the channel for Python enthusiasts who love web scraping and data extraction. We'll provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to become a successful web scraper. So, subscribe to our channel and join our community of Python enthusiasts. Let's start scraping. Python has long been a popular language for web scraping. It offers a number of libraries and tools that make scraping data from the web a breeze. Today, we're going to compare to Python scripts for web scraping. The first one uses only Requests and BeautifulSoup. The second one is optimized with Thread and HTTPX, along with Selectolax. Let's start with the first script. It's a simple script that uses requests to make HTTP requests and BeautifulSoup to parse the HTML response. As you can see, the script has successfully scraped the data we wanted. However, there is a downside to this approach. Now let's take a look at the optimized script. It uses HTTPX to make asynchronous HTTP requests, along with Selectolax for parsing HTML and Thread Pool Executor for multi-threading. As you can see, the second script has also successfully scraped the data we wanted. But there are a number of advantages to using HTTPX and Selectolax and multi-threading. Let's compare the two scripts side by side. The first script makes synchronous HTTP requests using requests. This means that it sends one request at a time and waits for the response before sending the next request. The second script, on the other hand, uses HTTPX for asynchronous requests. This means that it can send multiple requests at the same time without waiting for each response to come back before sending the next request. The first script also uses BeautifulSoup to parse HTML. The second script uses Selectolax, which is faster than BeautifulSoup. Let's take a look at the timing for the first script. And now let's look at the timing for the second script. As you can see, the second script is significantly faster than the first script. So, which one should you use? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're scraping a small amount of data, the first script may be sufficient. However, if you're scraping a large amount of data, or need to scrape data frequently, the optimized script with HTTPX and Selectolax may be a better choice. Thank you for watching. We hope this comparison has been helpful in choosing the right Python script for your web scraping needs.